Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard. Subject Maths. Day Monday. Date 21/6/21. Previous class we will learn for measurement. Measurement is have for 3 kinds of measurement. So length, weight, capacity. So 3 kinds of measurement is used for meter, liter and grams, kilograms. Then next one we will learn for now money. So money is for in your real life 2 kinds of money. One is coins, another one is note. So coins is I show here. This is for 25 paise coin. Then next one is 1 rupee coin. This one for 2 rupee coin. Then next one 5 rupee coin. This coins is available now, but 25 paise only not in use. But starting the rupees, 1 rupee is used in your real life. So 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. Swan, use the note. Note for, this is for 10 rupees. The next one, 20 rupees. This is for 20 rupees note. The next one I show now. This is for 50 rupees. The next one 100 rupees currency note. The next one 200 rupees and 2000 rupees and 500 rupees note is available. So but I show here for only 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. But in your real life 1 rupee note is here, 5 rupee note is here. Real life is using for 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200, 500 and 2000 rupees is used now. So this currency is helpful to buy in all the needed things in your life. I show now. You go to the shop, buy in your needed things. So this is for Neelam. That one cost rupees for a year, showing for 8 rupees. Then next one item, Dettol. This one is used in your real life. So this is the cost price is showing here rupees. So rupees, money is used the rupees. So 30 rupees 25 paise. So but before that this one is have the symbol, rupees symbol. Already you learned that this is for rupees symbol. Then next one is Dettol is using 30 rupees 25 paise. Previous year use this or yes, but now use the symbol for Hindi letter or. That is the money symbol. Money symbol is used that. Then next one thing I show here. For this is the cost of Surf Excel, soap, this one, detergent soap, soap cost is 26 rupees. Here use the symbol, then cost is showing here 26 rupees. So these kinds of things want to buy in a shop. So how much rupees you want to pay now? So 3 things you take here now. Then shopkeeper gives the bill for amount. So first one is I am showing for 8 rupees cost of thing. Then next one is 30 rupees. 30 plus 8, 38. Then next one is 26 rupees. So 38 plus 26 rupees. Then find out the total amount. 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Then count it and find out. Yes, 14. 1 carry over. Then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 64 rupees. The cost of the 3 things is 64 rupees. Then you pay the amount for 64 rupees. Then only you get the things. So you have the rupees for 100 rupees. Then you pay the money 100 and get back to the return balance. But otherwise you have the amount for 100 rupees. That time you used to do for total amount with subtract the cost of the things. So that is used to the subtraction. So we are do in the money now addition, subtraction. 2 way to do the sums. So money symbol is used for or. Here add the following. First one sum. I take here the number. Cost of rupees. So here use the symbol for money symbol. Then do the addition. So first one 26 rupees and 35 rupees. So you do that add. First one is pi's place is 0. So you put the 0 directly. Then put this dot. Then 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 is carry over. Then 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. So you write the symbol for money. So here 61 rupees. Then find out now second one. Yes, here take now 40 rupees, 25 rupees. So here do the paisa is 0. Then 0 plus 5 you write for 5 rupee. Then 4 plus 2, 6. So 65 rupees. Just you find out the amount rupees is 65. Then third sum you find out children. Here given the paise also. So 12 rupee, 50 paise, 13 rupee. So you write here 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. So total amount is 25 rupees 50 paise. So this one you want to buy for 2 things only. So easy to find out for total amount, and you find out the amount to pay, then you get the balance. That time used to do subtraction. So you buy. I show you. This is talcum powder. So talcum powder cost is 135 rupees. So show here rupees for 135. But you pay the amount is 150. That time you how much amount to want to the balance. That is doing here subtraction. Use the symbol for subtraction. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Pi says 0. Then rupees. Here 0 minus 5 is not possible. Then borrowing here. So here 0 plus 10. 5 subtract 1 or 5 before number is 4. Then here 10. So 10 subtract 5, 5. 4 subtract 3. 4 subtract 3 is 1. 1 subtract 1, 0. So you get the answer is now. How much balance is here? Only 15 rupees. Then next one. 100 rupees you have now. Your cost of the things is 75 rupees 50 paise. So easy to do now. Find out the subtraction. 0 subtract 0, 0. Here use the symbol for minus. Then 0 subtract 5, not possible. So here borrow. Here children see this. So before the 2 digit is have the 0. But here you change the number. So this one is give to 10. Then again give it to next one place. Here needed for first end is 10. So in between the zeros is changed now 9. This is very careful to do. In between the number for 0, the last number give it to 1 for before the place. So here only 1. 1 is here. That's why I write strike out 1 before number is 0. But this last end for you wanted that place is 10. But before the 2 places is changed now 9. Okay. Now 10 subtract 5. 5. 9 subtract 5. 4. 9 subtract 7. 2. Here 0. So you how to find out? Check once again. You reverse counting. Reverse means here do the subtraction. This last final 2 number you take and do for addition, that you get the first number. So you find out the subtraction answer is correct or wrong. You whether check that method. So first number you find out for second number with answer. Second number யும் answer யும் add பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு first number கிடைச்சிருச்சு 100 என்ற நம்பர் இருந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பா நம்ம போட்டிருக்க sum correct அப்படின்றதை நம்ம செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay children, you understand the concept for addition and subtraction with money? easy in your real life, always needed to do for subtraction and addition with money. Okay, thank you children. You understand the concept?